What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use a PlayStation 5 controller with Red Dead Redemption 2 on PC using the Epic Games version. The process is very simple, so just follow along. No matter which platform you are playing RDR2 on, these methods will work. You can use them to set up either a PS5 controller or a PS4 controller. There are two main ways to do this. The first method is adding RDR2 to Steam and letting Steam handle the controller setup automatically. If this doesn't work for you, the second option is using DS for Windows, which you can download from this website. This tool helps your PC recognize and configure PlayStation controllers properly. For the first method, open Steam, click on Add a game from the bottom left corner, then choose Add a non-Steam game. From here, browse through the programs on your PC and select both the Rockstar Games launcher and the Epic Games launcher, then add them to Steam. Once they are added, right-click on each launcher and also on RDR2, go to Properties, then open Controller Settings. Make sure Steam Input is enabled. Steam Input automatically configures any controller connected to your PC. With Steam Input enabled for the Epic Games Launcher, Rockstar Launcher and RDR2, you can click the controller icon to customize your layout and assign buttons however you want, and that's it. That's how you use a PS5 controller on RDR2 PC with the Epic Games Launcher. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.